Today we're going to do the magic E. The magic E, didn't we do that? Yeah, we did. But we're going to do it some more. So come on, look. There's a magic E chart. It's also known as the bossy E. That's what I called it before. But then people said, isn't it the magic E? It's both a magic E or a bossy E. A bossy E makes the vowel say its name. The magic E does the same. The word same, S-A-M-E, is an example of the magic E's. Come on. C-A-P-E, cape, cape. Ha-ha, superheroes wear capes. If you take away their E, they just wear a cap. Not very super. Then we take tail, T-A-L-E. The E makes the A say its name. Tail. What's a tale? A story, like a fairy tale. Oh, okay. Then R-A-T-E, rate, rate. If we had no E, it would just be rat. But then along comes the E, and now it's rate, rate. Got it? Then R-A-R-E, rare, rare. I could take away the E, but it wouldn't be a word. It's rare, rare. What's rare? Seldom. Rare. Doesn't happen very often. It is rare. Oh, okay. Let's go down here. The P-O-L-E, pole, pole. We're going to follow the O-E, the O consonant E, like in cone, cone. We have pole, pole. Here's the consonant L, pole. Bone, the consonant N. Put it right in there, like cone. Only this is bone. I got it. Then lone. Oh, alone, like the lone wolf. Single, the single wolf, the lone wolf. Then rope, rope. The E makes the O say its name. Rope. Got it. Let's go over here. I consonant E, like in pipe, pipe. But we could do it with other letters too, like in light, light, L-I-T-E, like light food, fat-free, less fat. It's light, light. Then R-I-P-E, ripe, ripe. If I took the E away from these two words, it would be lit and rip. But you put the E, it's light and ripe. What about this word? B-I-T-E, bite, bite. If you take away the E, what do you get? Did you say bit? You're correct. Bit, bit. No, I don't want a bit. The past tense of bite is bit. But this word is bite. And finally, stripe, stripe. You know, like there's a stripe on this border. Stripe. Got it. How about this one? U consonant E. Like in cube. Cube. Like a Rubik's cube. Okay. How about rule? Rule. To control things, or the reason we do things, or the laws are rules. Rule. How about tune? Tune. Can you carry a tune? Tune or tube? Tube. Oh, like a tube of toothpaste. How about huge? Huge. Really big. No, it's huge. Yeah, I know. Big. Mule. Mule. Another name for a donkey. Shoot. Shoot. Like a to go down the chute. Got it. Now let's review. We're going to do the magic E words, just some, to help you practice, okay? Let's go quick. Here we go. Cape, tail, rate, rare, pole, bone, bone, lone, rope, rope. Let's go over here. Light, ripe, bite, stripe, rule, tune, tube, huge. That's hard to say. Huge. Mule, shoot, shoot. In this word, the CH makes the sh, shoot. Got it? Why does English have this one little rule that gives so much power to the letter E, the vowel E, making it both a magic E and a bossy E? I don't know, but now you have a better understanding of the magic E or the bossy E. I hope. Have a great day, friends. Can you think of some words that follow the magic E rule? You can leave it in the comments. Leave more if you want. Peace, friends.